Hello everybody, Drew Brenner, your mortgage advisor over here at Willabin Mortgage, coming to you with another mortgage update in the middle of the COVID-19 craziness. So the market, as far as rates go, have been still doing pretty darn well on conventional loans. FHA and VA is still kind of all over the place, depending on the lender, the credit score, and a million other things. So I can't really quote you guys any average rates right now because they are all over the board. Especially if you have a lower credit score, those FHA VA loans are really, really hard to sell on the secondary market. So a lot of lenders have increased their minimum credit scores, as a lot of you know. A lot of them are going to 660, 680, even 700. In the case of Chase Bank, their 700 require 20% down to do a loan right now, which is kind of mind-blowing because we're still doing loans all the time at the low down payments, but that just kind of shows you the state of the market. Now, it's a really good thing that the government has decided to step in and help some mortgage servicers because, at least temporarily, they're going to be losing a lot of money due to all these forbearance, issues that people are having. And so that's going to help some of the smaller mortgage servicers that aren't big banks stay afloat. So that's a really, really good thing. Now, a big part of this video is I'm kind of wanting to tell everybody what issues we are running into on the lending side so you can prepare or your clients can prepare whenever they fit in these certain boxes that are becoming more challenging to get closed. So big one is variable income. So that's anything that fluctuates. So things like overtime, commission, bonus, or if you're self-employed, we're having to do a lot more checks and provide a lot more documentation in order to get these loans closed, because right now a lot of our investors or lenders that we're selling loans to are not purchasing loans if they think that there is any potential negative impact to the client's income due to COVID-19. So with self-employed people, we're having to get profit and loss statements, sometimes receipts and letters of explanation, showing that their income has not been changed drastically due to COVID-19. So the same thing with, like I said, commission, overtime, all of that kind of stuff. We have to show that people's income hasn't really changed, which in certain cases it has. And so it's making it so that certain clients are not able to get approved even though they were looking really good a month or so ago. So everything's kind of being taken on a case-by-case basis. So of course that's something I'm addressing with my clients up front whenever they fall within that certain box. But if you're using some of the lender, you definitely want to check with them and see how likely it is they think they're going to be able to get your loan approved and actually sold. I've seen that some lenders are out there where they're offering these products, FHA or whatever, but they're not actually locking in any of them because honestly they're just kind of gambling on the market, hoping things get better. And if they don't, then they're going to have an issue and not be able to approve that loan. So definitely talk with your lender up front. Make sure that they feel very confident that they're going to be able to get that loan done and then sold. Because if they can't get it sold, they probably aren't going to close it, even if everything else looks good. We're also seeing with FHA, if you don't have 6 or 12 months in reserves, that if you're self-employed, sometimes we have to cut the income by 25%, which is huge. So there's just a lot of weird stuff out there going on. It's kind of changing day to day or week to week, and I'm just here to keep everybody updated. But if you've got any questions, please give me a call, or if you'd like to look at getting pre-approved, my number is 214-282-6387. All right, thanks a lot, guys, and see you on the next update. Take care.